Welcome to another unboxing, second gift pack unboxing on the Tuesday. I've got some Halloween theming, last minute, but you can't tell, you absolutely can't tell. And today I'm going to be careful not to show my dress. I've got this box, I've opened it, briefly check if stuff's broken, and it's not last time I checked. But last week we reviewed the Brewdog gift pack. This week we are reviewing, cover that. Bye bye cardboard. This is the Beer Hunters Beavertown gift pack. So the Beer Hunters do a lot of them. I think they do a Brewdog one as well. So we're going to open this up, have a look. The glass is actually packaged because I got it from Amazon for $23.95. These cans are usually about £3 each in Tesco when I've seen them, but there's actually a blood orange IPA in here, and I'm the IPA guy at the moment. We're going to give this an open and take a look. No plastic to unzip today, I hope. No, it just comes straight open. I do like the gift set. When I first saw this gift set on Amazon, and you're going to see in a minute, the glass looks really cool and it matches the box. It's got that logo on it, and at first I thought that was like a Beavertown related logo, but it is not. Alas, it is not. What did you think of the unboxing last week, guys? Comment below. I've not tried Beavertown yet, but I've talked to a friend of mine called Jake Corallo who has, and he collects the cans as well. I'll go through the cans first. They've got the American Pale Ale, 5.4%, Beavertown Gamma Ray, and today the window is not working against me with the light. So we've got Gamma Ray. Sorry, Pumpkin, you're going to have to get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of Dodge, because I want to show people what we've got in the box. It says Gamma Ray. They might not balance on that box. We will find out. They've got Neck Oil, which I see this often in Tesco as well. This is a Session IPA. I see these Session IPAs, and the review isn't on the channel yet. It's scheduled for a few weeks from now. But I've done the, spoiler alert, I've done Dead Pony Club for a Brewdog. That's a Session IPA. And that does not taste great, but I'm not going to be able to put those there on top of these Brewdog boxes. And I'll get to the glass last. Almost rhymed, but didn't quite. Got Beavertown Lupuloid 6.7%. I don't know what a Lupuloid is. It's some maybe do a Lupulus a bit, which is Buxton Brewery. This is 6.7% IPA. I do like the cans again. They are all 330ml cans though, but sometimes the good things come in small packages. This is the one I'm looking forward to. I won't review this one today. It will get its own video. This is the Beavertown Bloody Elf. Bloody Elf, sorry. It's very British of them. Bloody Elf. Blood Orange IPA 5.5%. And I am going to review that separately because today in the box set, I will review one of these. But unlike the Elvis juice with the Brewdog, I'm going to review a beer I've not tried before. Because I've not tried any of these before. Let's see what this is. Oh, small glass again. Yeah, it's nice. It's more of a traditional, conventional shape than the Brewdog one. I think it's a 2/3 pint again, if I had to guess. But it's got the B on the back, and then it's got the Beer Hunter stuff. A lot of the Beer Hunters come with this design on the glass, but obviously I had to look into that again because at first I thought it was a completely Beavertown done thing. This is Beer Hunter who kind of get the beers and make the packs themselves. But as I say, on Amazon it's $23.95, so it's a bit more than the Brewdog one, and it comes with 4 cans. There is a pack, and I can't remember which one's missing. It might be the bloody orange one. Don't quote me on that. There is a pack for £1 more that comes with the glass, 3 of the beers, and a pack of nuts or pork scratchings or something. But I thought I'd spend £1 less and get another can of beer rather than pork scratchings. Unless you really want to watch me munch on pork scratchings on this channel, which is another question for another time. So, as always, I'm going to wash this glass out quickly, and I am going to review one of these 3, but not this one. I might go for the Session IPA because I'm not expecting much from it, and yeah, I think that's what I'll go for because the other ones look quite nice and I want to give them their own individual review. But as you've tuned in today, we're going to review Beavertown Neck Oil. So I'll just be a second, wash this glass, but it's going to seem transitionally smooth as all hell. And we're back. Glass is washed out a bit of water there. Tap water's fine to drink. So this is the can. I don't know if you got a good look at it before, because the lighting is good enough not to blind you with the light, but not good enough for all else. It's a nice can. I like the designs on these cans. It's very reminds me a bit of the more cruder Nickelodeon shows like Ren and Stimpy and things like that. It's that kind of art style. A lot of skulls involved. Golden can as well. That's nice. Nice wrap. Let's give this a try. I've not tried Beavertown. I've heard of them. They seem a lot more independent. No offense to Brewdog, but Brewdog is... I mean, these might be international, but Brewdog very international. Now, so we'll see how this pours out. Session IPA. I've reviewed another one, but it's not gone live yet. It's more like a wine glass, that. Yeah. I've got way too many glasses. My wife is going to kill me. We'll run out of space. Run out of space for these glasses. While I'm waiting for the head to go down, let's go into more detail about this. 1.4 units. As I say, 4.3% session IPA. It's a higher percentage than Dead Pony Club by Brewdog. Be interested if it tastes something like it. Neck oil. And I am trying to get away from IPAs, but most of the good beers are IPAs these days. There's a lot of beers coming up. Comment below if there's any beers you want me to try first. I've got some Brewdog packs here of beers I have already reviewed. They're for my personal drinking in my own time. And that's cool. It's lined up with the line there, how much the head's gone down, but I'll give it a go anyway. The funny thing about Session IPA, I will review it one day. I'm planning on doing the non-alcoholic beers in January, dry January. And I forgot I could have done Sober October, but I'm doing dry January. I'll do a load of non-alcoholic beers, including 0.0 Guinness. But there's a kind of bite you get in non-alcoholic beers, the good ones anyway, at the end to mask there's no alcohol in it. And it's a very similar bite to what's in this. It's a very similar bite to I drink a non-alcoholic beer in the week a lot of times called Bavaria 00, and there's a bite to the end of this. It tastes very similar to that. Has the candle gone out? Oh, the candle's gone out. Might as well turn it off. Just pretend it's on. But it tastes pretty standard. It tastes pretty solid. I like the glass. The box that it came in. So I got it from Amazon. But it did actually come via tracked Royal Mail, although it didn't cost me any extra as a Prime member. It's got the box and design like that. As I say, there's quite a few on Amazon and elsewhere that beer hunters kind of, they don't make the beer. They take the beers and make the packs. Beerhunter.co.uk. But the cans cost about £2.70 in Tesco, £3 for these 3 30ml cans. So you're looking at about 12 quid there. And then I've put, that's an expensive glass, but you're also paying for how they're displayed. Because that Brewdog one I did last week, and if you haven't seen it, check it out. The box isn't anything special till you open it, and even then it's just got writing on. Because that one was a bit more special, and I like the fact they put bubble wrap around it. Nice golden colour. It's a decent beer. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it again. I'm looking forward to trying those ones. This is what I'm looking forward to, because I've not seen this sold individually or sold anywhere else. If you can see it there, it's the Bloody Hell Blood Orange IPA. So I'm looking forward to that. I wonder if Beavertown only do IPAs. Or pale ales. Got American Pale Ale, IPA, Blood Orange IPA, and the Session IPA. I don't know. Session IPA. You're telling me I can't just drink your IPA and have a session on that? But someone's probably going to comment and say, but that's my opinion. I do like this glass. It looks quite nice. I'll probably get use out of it by using it as a wine glass. I've got a really good pack reviewing next Tuesday, and that is going to be awesome. And I can't say anything about it and it seems like the price is steadily going up. But I'm not going to go mental. But it looks the business in the pictures I've seen, and I'm looking forward to reviewing that. I'll give a shout out to Daniel Leach. Comment below what you think about these beers. Also give a shout out to Jack. Just checking the microphone's still clipped on. I couldn't see it then. Jack Fletcher, Mark Barlow. You got to be drinking more beer. And Luke Holdsworth, Joe Marshall. I say that because it sounds quite posh, but it also sounds like QT Marshall from AEW. That's why I do it, Joe. I love you, really. So Joe Marshall. They'll hopefully comment below, get the discussion going. Anyone new, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Get more stuff. Obviously, by the time you see this, it'll be Tuesday. I'll see you again on Thursday with another beer review. And at the weekend, it's Halloween, as the theming before it broke was alluding to. And we've got a Halloween travel vlog this weekend of somewhere we've been that's Halloween themed. So I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting me by viewing the channel. See you next time. This was the unboxing of the Beavertown gift pack with the 4 cans, not with the pork scratchings. This was Beavertown Neck Oil quick review, session IPA. Yay or nay? I'll give it, in the middle is a bit on the fence. I'll give it, it just makes the yay, I think. And I do like that glass. The design, this bit where I drop it, the design makes up for the fact it's quite a simple shape. Doesn't, the glass shape isn't as nice as the Brewdog one, but I think I like the design on it. I probably wouldn't use that for beer, to be fair. I'm guessing it's a 2/3 pint one. Looks the same size. Well, a can of that fits in it, so it is the same size. Yeah, guys, keep drinking beer, keep talking about beer. What do you want me to recommend? What you want me to try next that I haven't reviewed? Do you agree with what I said about this beer? Do you think I got it wrong, or do you have a different opinion? I love hearing different opinions. And cheers.